Hey guys, Thin.Q A.I here, and this year LG's OLED is all about AI integration. Yes, LG showcased their latest OLEDs for 2018 at CES, and it's all about AI with their Thin.Q system. But besides that, it's also about natural language processing, as well as the brand new processors they're using, which is the A9 and A7 processors. So let's start off with the AI integration. AI was big last year, and of course this year it's going to continue. The Thin.Q system allows LG to combine different AI components, either Google's Assistant or Alexa, or even any other future models from different companies, and naturally into their TV ecosystem, so that you can use it with natural language processing, so you don't actually have to use the command codes like Alexa or Hey Google to actually use the AI integration. So whether you want to set up a certain mode on your TV, like say cinema mode, you can just say cinema mode by hitting the remote control, and it will change your TV settings to cinema mode, which is great. Now the OLED TV still look really good. They're sharp, they're vibrant. The blacks, of course, kill it and crush it in all respects, but also the processing has gotten much better. That's one of the things we saw this year, we're seeing this year with the LG OLED, is because it's powered by their new Alpha 9 processor, the A processor, if you will. Now the whole thing with the Alpha 9 processor here, it gives you 35% more GPU and CPU performance and 50% more RAM performance as well. So you're getting better processing of your images, image quality, and also in terms of gradients on screen, things like that are being improved all around. Now in terms of the operating system, we've got WebOS 3.5. It looks very similar to, of course, WebOS that we've seen last year. One of the biggest things again is still with the AI integration, so that you can actually use your voice commands to navigate around the system on your device, whether you're looking to jump to an app like Netflix, or you want to watch a show, you want to change a setting on your TV, you can now naturally do that as well. Now this capability is found with the OLED TVs. You can also find this in LG's Super UHD TVs for 2018, which will be powered by the Alpha 7 processors as well, and also will have the natural language processing with the Thin.Q system built in. So that's the focus of this year. I think LG feels really confident with their picture quality. We'll have to see when we get it in hand, at least at home, to check out how the TVs handle their OLEDs, and as well as the Super UHD. But I did like what they showed with their AI integration. I'd like to see more of that in the future. So any questions, any comments, guys, let me know. Don't forget to like and share this video, favorite this video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more of our CS content. This is Thin.Q A.I saying thank you, and always enjoy your entertainment.